You're probably using the wrong Claude. Open the app and you'll see 3 tabs: Chat, CoWork, and Code. And most people just live in one. Here's the mistake. They think CoWork is only for coders or just fancier chat. Nope. Chat answers questions, but it can't touch your files. Code can, but it's built for developers in a terminal. CoWork sits in the middle. The power of code, no terminal, no coding. You just describe what you want and it reads your files, pulls from Gmail and Notion, even runs a report every Monday at 8 a.m. on its own. If your work lives in documents and deadlines, that's your edge. Let me show you exactly when to use which. Let's get into it. One of the most common questions new users have is, I already use Claude, so what's different about CoWork and how does it compare to Claude Code? Let's break it down clearly. The 3 modes of Claude. When you open the Claude desktop app, you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Chat, CoWork, and Code. There are 3 different tools for 3 different kinds of work. Claude Chat. Chat is your conversational assistant. You ask, it answers. It's great for writing help, drafting emails, documents, summaries, research and brainstorm, explaining complex topics, answering questions, quick one-off tasks where you stay in the loop. Chat cannot access your local files. It cannot take actions on your computer. It responds to prompts one at a time. You're always driving. It's best for quick answers, writing assistance, ideation, back and forth conversation. Claude Code. Claude Code is a command line tool built for developers. It runs in the terminal, connects to your local files and code, and can execute code, run sandboxes, and build software. It's powerful, but it was designed for people who are comfortable working in a terminal environment. It's best for software development, debugging, running scripts, coding-heavy workflows. Claude CoWork. CoWork brings the same agentic power as Claude Code, the ability to work with your files and complete multi-step tasks, but packages it in a friendly desktop interface. No terminal required. You simply describe what you want. Done. Approve the plan, and Claude executes it. It's best for non-technical knowledge work, file organization, report generation, document analysis, data synthesis, research tasks, and anything repetitive or time-consuming. Okay, so that's the conceptual difference between the 3. Chat is the assistant. Code is for developers in a terminal. CoWork is the agentic power of code, but in a friendly desktop interface for everybody else. Let me put that on screen as a side-by-side so the differences become really concrete. Here's the table. The first row, conversational questions and answers. All 3 handle it, whether you are in chat, CoWork, or code. You can ask Claude something and get an answer. So this is the baseline. They all talk. Local file access. Chat, no. Chat lives in a browser tab. It can't open the files on your computer. CoWork, yes. CoWork is built specifically to read, write, and organize files on your machine. Code, it's also yes, because it runs in your terminal where files already are. So the moment your task involves a folder or a spreadsheet or a document on your desktop, chat is out of the conversation. Multitask execution. Chat, same pattern. Chat can't do it. Chat answers one question at a time, and you are always driving. CoWork is designed for it. Code does it too, in the terminal. Now, no coding required. This is the row most people miss. Chat, easy, no code. CoWork, also no code. You just type plain English and Claude does the work. Code, that's the difference. Code assumes you are a developer. You are working in a terminal. You are reviewing differences. You are saying yes or no to file edits inside your projects. This is the cleanest way to think about CoWork versus code. They have similar reach into your computer. They can both do multi-step agentic work, but CoWork is for non-developers. Code is for developers. Now, terminal. Only code can do it. If you live in PowerShell or VS Code's terminal, that's where Claude Code wants to meet you. CoWork and Chat both run in your desktop app where most people prefer to work. Now, task scheduling. This is unique to CoWork. Run this every Monday at 8 a.m. That's a CoWork capability. Chat can't do it, code doesn't do it. If you want recurring autonomous workflows, and most knowledge work has them, CoWork is the only option of the three. Connector integrations. Chat has limited connector support. You can hook a few services up to it for richer chat experiences. CoWork has full connector support. Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Notion, Microsoft 365, the whole MCP-based ecosystem. Code also supports connectors, since MCP is part of the code experience too. Best audience. And finally, the role that summarizes the whole thing. Chat is for everyone. Quick questions, quick answers, no setup. CoWork is for knowledge workers, marketing, finance, ops, project management, research, founders, consultants, lawyers, analysts, anybody whose work lives in files, documents, and recurring deliverables. Code is for developers, building software, debugging, refactoring, working inside a code base. So how do you choose? A simple rule of thumb. If you're asking, use chat. If you're delegating work that involves your files, your connected apps, or a recurring schedule, use CoWork. If you're writing or modifying code, use code. And you don't have to pick one and stay there. I use all three every day. A quick question goes to chat. A weekly report goes to CoWork. A code refactor goes to code. They live in the same desktop app or 3 tabs at the top. You'll switch between them constantly.
So now you know, it was never about picking one Claude. It's knowing which tab to open. A quick question goes to chat. Real work on your files with no code? That's CoWork. And if you live in the terminal, code. But you just saw when to use them, not what an agent looks like running fully on its own. Watch one read, decide, and act across your apps, no code, right here. Want to see how one actually thinks? Planning, picking tools, handling a whole customer refund start to finish? Start here. If this made it click, smash that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.